Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful day. So in this video today, I'm going to be talking about how to start an Amazon FBA business without guessing which products works. Alright, now the reason I'm making this video is because you'll find a lot of different trainings out there. I've gone through a bunch of different Amazon training myself with FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This is where you go get the product manufactured for you from wherever. It could be China, it could be overseas, it could be Europe, it could be even in the States. But you send it to Amazon's warehouse, they stack all the product for you, and then they do the shipping, the handling, the customer service for you. You don't have to worry about that stuff. It's getting very popular right now. If you shop on Amazon, almost 65 to even 80% of the items that are on there are not being manufactured by Amazon. There are other people that are selling it on the platform and they are making a profit out of it. So you can create a business that way, and there's a lot of people teaching different courses. There's a lot of people selling different courses, teaching people how to do this stuff, and it's great. And a lot of people are making a lot of money using this strategy. But what I find through all the courses that I go through is that they teach you to go out there and test different products, spending money and test different products. But in the last 6 months, I've discovered a new strategy that is so much more powerful that takes out the guesswork, okay, in starting that type of business. So I'm going to break down inside of this video. If it's your first time on my channel, drop a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notification so that we can always be notified when I drop content like this, because I make videos like this all the time. Now, question for you. If you was to create an Amazon business with FBA, how much money you need to be making monthly in order for you to feel like it's worth it for you? Drop a comment down below. Let me know how much money you would need to be making every month for you to feel like it's a good business. Maybe you can replace your job. Maybe this is something you could do full time, okay? So in this video, I'm going to give you 6 steps in order for you to do what I'm currently doing, which is creating Amazon FBA businesses without having to guess which product is going to work. So in order for you to do that, the first thing you're going to need to do, you need to start out the business with the audience. Contrary to what other people would say when you go and watch their video, their courses, they'll tell you go on Aliexpress or go somewhere else, find a product, and then start selling it to people, or start putting it on Amazon and build an Amazon FBA to get the traffic of Amazon. That's cool. You could do that, but if you start out with the audience first, you're gonna be winning because you're not gonna have to wait for Amazon to pick it up. You're gonna start driving your own traffic first from the go. So you start out with the audience. So when you're starting out with an audience, the best thing to do is to pick out a niche, okay? So if you plan to sell products, let's say into sports, and I'm gonna start into the niche of health and fitness. Maybe I'm gonna go into the niche of working out. Okay, I'm gonna just find, I'm gonna build a page for workout people on Facebook, and just so I can start building the page and start getting the traffic there. I'm gonna build a group in that niche and start building the traffic there. Because if you do that, you're gonna have the niche, you're gonna have the audience already. Maybe I'm spending $5 a day on Facebook ads just to build the audience. Because if you have the audience, it's gonna be so powerful for you when it comes to taking out the guesswork. Because what's gonna happen, first step, after you get the audience, we're gonna move to the second step. Second step, once you have the audience now, you wanna do what's called affiliate product. Amazon allow you to have an affiliate link with them through the affiliate program called the Amazon Associate Program. I'm going to put the link down below if you're interested. It's free. You join then, and then you can promote anything that's on Amazon. So what I would require for you to do is take the first month, do associate versus doing FBA, so that you can find out your top selling product. So what we do on the page, I'm going to show you on this page, for example. We have this product. So we make a post and we sell this product. So, and then we sell the next product the next day on the same day. So we'll test about 4 to 5 products a day on the page so that we can find the winning one. Like you can see, we test this one. You can see how many likes it gets, how many shares. So now when those products, they get shares, people will share because we have people on the page. And preferably if you build it into a niche, you can. Like this page, we did it, we're just testing different product. It's not just niche down. But if you niche down, it's even better. So you can test different product in a very specific niche, and then you can see what people are buying, because what's going to happen, your winners will emerge to the top, meaning that from the traffic that you're getting from the page, when people share it, when people are buying it, you're going to find the few items that are getting the most sales for that month. Then you're going to know it's a winner in that specific arena, in that specific page, because that's gonna be your primary traffic, not even relying on Amazon. Because here's the thing, when you're doing FBA, you're gonna be competing with other guys who's already selling that product. So when you come on the platform, not only you're not gonna have any reviews, so you more likely will need to get customer review. You're not gonna have your listing has to compete with the other person in order for you to get first place listing. There's so many much more intricate details that you're gonna need to know. But if you have the traffic, if you bring the traffic, you don't even have to worry about any of it. And that's for any products in the future. So if you build the traffic first, you start your affiliate business. Now, every day you can see the product that are emerging to the top that's getting you the most sales, then you can sell those, okay? Third thing that you're gonna need to do, find your winners, okay? Find your winners. So you're gonna go to the month, you find the product that's winning the most. Now we're gonna take that product and we're gonna create an FBA business with that product. Now it becomes so much more powerful because you know your exact winning product versus all the other one that did not get as much traction. Meanwhile, someone who's doing FBA, they testing this one, they testing this one, they don't know what the customer. If you build the traffic first, you know exactly what your customer is already proven to you they want, then there's no guesswork anymore. You're not worrying, oh, this product might do good or it's not gonna do good. It's already proven itself to you that it's gonna do good. So once you find that, what you wanna do in step 4, you're gonna go to Aliexpress or Alibaba, and then you're gonna try to create a relationship with a seller. So you're gonna start contacting some sellers, people that can create that product for you, and then you're gonna have them manufacture in bulk for you. You ask them for their price. This is where negotiating skills come into motion. You know, for the first time, more likely they're gonna give you some prices. You can tell them if you agree or not, and then after that, what you really want to do, if you start buying more, you want to tell them, hey guys, you know, I'm gonna come in with my next order is gonna be, you know, 500 orders, so I need you to discount me. You know, I'm gonna order 1,000, so I want to build a long-term business with you guys. So that way, it's gonna bring down your cost per item, your cost that you're actually paying, your initial cost of acquiring the product. Then your profit margin will increase because now you're paying much less for the product by the time they send it to Amazon, so that you can start selling through Amazon. So you want to contact multiple different sellers, see which one actually give you the better price. Now, tip for you when you're contacting sellers when it comes to Alibaba. Now, if you're not living in China, if you are, cool, you can go over there and see what's going on. But if you're not living over there, what's happening over there, there's a lot of company. There's the manufacturer and the distributors. There's people over there that has company, they just have warehouses where they can store products. So they can go out there and buy the product from a manufacturer. See, a manufacturer is the person who's actually creating the product. They have their own warehouse, they're creating the product. But you have another person who decides, let me start a business, and they just become a distributor. So they go get those products from those manufacturers, bring them to their warehouse, and then they set themselves on Alibaba. Anybody can actually buy from them, but they're not the creator of the actual product. So if the product has some defective or have some problem, they still have to contact the manufacturer and tell them, hey, here's the change that needs to be made and all that stuff. So my key, if you want to build a long-term business that's big, or if you find a product that's really passionate about, you want to find the manufacturers versus the distributors, because you can contact them directly and tell them, hey, here's the improve that you need, here's what you need with the product, what can they do better with it. They're going to be able to tweak things for you versus the distributor, which is kind of the middleman. They kind of charge you even more than the manufacturer would charge you. And sometimes it's harder for you to find manufacturing company. But if you read on Alibaba, you will see that it says manufacturer. Some of them will say distributor. So make sure you look at the titles when you're contacting those companies in step 4. Okay, so after that, in step 5 now, what you want to do is to launch your product on a discounted price. Because remember, now you're not doing affiliate anymore, you're doing FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. So you're ordering all this bulk, you're sending them to Amazon, and then now you can give a discount, because now it's through profit margin. You know, because if you're doing affiliate, as an affiliate of Amazon, you're earning about I think 3% to all the way up to 10% on some item. I think jewelry is like 10%. But if you're doing like different things, it's like 3%. Electronics is like 5%. So with that, your margin is so small. But when you're doing FBA, your margin can be anywhere between 30 to 50%, even higher. So you can play with the margin and play into giving discounts. So on your first initial start, you can go to your page or your group, other people, you tell them, hey, I'm gonna start you guys, I'm gonna give you a 20% discount. Although it's gonna eat up your profit margin. Let's say your profit margin in the beginning was about 35%, you give them 20% discount. Now you only have 15% to work with. But you could do that on your first order just so you can get initial people excited about your product, get them to drop reviews for you, and now you can compete with the big guys that's on Amazon with your own product, with the other products they already have. So now you're getting reviews. Now if the people are excited, then you can bring it back to the original price after that. So having the ability to do that on a product is really powerful. It's going to help you to get a lot more sales, and you can control a lot more of what's going on with your business with the FBA model. All right. So last but not least, the last thing that you want to do, which is number 6, guys, is to scale your business. Once you become profitable now, okay, you're going to scale the business. So you can see that we went from starting the business, setting up the traffic, setting up the people, and then getting an affiliate products, testing different affiliate products, find the one that emerged to the top, and then go find those and then sell them. And now you have a fluid business. Now you have to just scale it and just put money inside of the business. If it's working out for you, you winning, you crushing it. If you put $100, it's making you $300. Go ahead and put 1,000, make 3,000. Go ahead and put 10,000, make 30. Go ahead and put 100K and make 300K. Go ahead and put $1 million and make 3 millions. If it's scaling in that level, just keep scaling it until you can get it to the full maximum potential of income that you want. Anyway, I hope this video was valuable to you. Drop a comment down below. Let me know, does this stuff make sense to you? Will you give it a try? I have a course right now online called the long-term business, where I break down for you the process on how to start into any niche to build what's called a long-term business. Not making money today and it's gone. This is a brand that you're building. I'm in the trenches with you. I'm doing the same thing that I'm teaching you. You get on live webinar with me every week. On Monday, I show you exactly what my business look like, what we're currently doing, how can you model success, what I'm having success, and I'm having some failure too, what I'm failing with. So I'm not hiding anything. Every stone is left unturned. No stone left unturned. I turn everything so you can see it. If you're interested in that, go look in the description. You will see the link to the course called the long-term business. That's what I'm going to be working with in 2020. I've started that in 2019 with my another business we started with my wife that has grown. I jump into different businesses and I show you all of that stuff and show you how you can model all the stuff together. But anyway, I just gave you 6 steps for you to start an FBA business without the guesswork of what products will work for you. Follow this 6 step, take it to the next level. If you want my help, join the long-term business. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Bye. Click on my face to subscribe. Click over there to watch another video I did about Amazon, how to become an affiliate, and take action on those. Let me know what you think. See you guys later. Bye.